Have you ever wondered why casinos always win in the long run? It comes down to a simple principle called the law of large numbers. This law suggests that as you repeat an experiment more times, the actual results will get closer to the expected average. Think of flipping a coin. One flip is random, but thousands of flips create a pattern that is highly predictable. This concept helps investors understand that short-term market swings are often just noise, whereas long-term trends are grounded in math. In the short term, individual events are chaotic. In the long term, the law of large numbers smooths out those extremes. As you can see, the deviation from the expected average shrinks significantly as the number of trials increases. Investors use this logic to hold diversified portfolios for years, letting the math work in their favor rather than gambling on daily price changes. Understanding the law of large numbers is key to staying patient in the markets. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more basics.